Welcome to autumn, where the world transforms into nature's very own painting. The trees put on their best show like they know something special's coming. There's nothing quite like a crisp morning walk in the autumn. The air is cool, just enough to make you zip up your jacket, or maybe even break out the gloves again. And the ground underfoot is pure satisfaction. That crunch. It's the sound of the season. The steps sounds like nature's standing ovation. Everybody, I think, has memories of playing in autumn leaves when they were children. And the light changes too. The sun is lower now, which causes the golden light beams to shine through the clouds, and especially on a misty day, it looks like liquid gold, and it'll stay like that before the frost takes over. The green of the leaves as they hold on to their colour just that little bit longer. But it is the light that and the skies that just make everything just seem so magnificent. The autumn foliage is equally beautiful and makes fabulous bouquets and posies. I've got a beautiful one on my dining table at the moment that I picked on a dog walk a few days ago. The air, it's crisp now, it's clean. It's the right kind of cold that makes you feel alive. It's like you're inhaling autumn itself. The smell of damp earth, of fallen leaves, and it's the scent of nature winding down, preparing for a well-deserved rest. And of course, we can't forget all our little friends that are really busy at this time of year, collecting all the snacks they can find before winter. It's like they're getting ready to do a big Netflix marathon. They're just scurrying around everywhere, gathering everything they possibly can. Then the leaves on the trees. They're in every shade of red, orange and yellow you can imagine. If I could pull off these colours as effortlessly as the trees do, I'd have the most amazing wardrobe. The light as I came out of the little woodland area, catching these teasels. Sorry, I do get my shadow over that one in particular, but it's sublime. It really makes me wish I could paint. I'll have to bring my mum up here, or at least take some photos. And I'm a huge fan of the old man's beard, that where I live is just everywhere at the moment. As the world slows down, there's a peacefulness to it all. The colours might be fading, but there's a beauty in that too. In the quiet preparation for winter, in the idea that everything needs time to rest, even nature. So here's to autumn, a season of change, of beauty, and of just slowing down.